Yes guys, I'm Ash.
And I'm Glenn.
And we're Twist and
Pulse. And we're going to be teaching you our UDO Worlds workshop to Justin Timberlake suppliers. We're going to show you the intro section. You guys ready?
I'm ready.
Cool. So we're going to start feet together. The first move is an impact down. So both elbows are coming up and we're hitting boom. Yeah, so that's where your energy is. We're going to slide forward on your left leg. So we're going to go 1. Then the arms are going to come round, all the way around, and then out. Yeah, so that's your 1, 2, 3. Ready? Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, and we're going 1, 2, leg up, jumping out, 3. Good. We're going to jump in, foot forward, hands forward. Here, and then onto your chest. Yeah, and that's nice and tight. So from here, we're going boom, boom, tight. From the top, let's try nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good.
Nice. One more time, slower.
You ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. Moving on from there.
Yes, so from here, we're in this position. Our legs are going to swirl out like this. Twice, you're doing that twice, and you're doing your arms round like a crazy motion, like you're going, I'm crazy. Yeah? So from here, you're going swoosh, swoosh, and it's got an accent on the start of each swoosh. So from here, we're going swoosh, swoosh. Yeah, does that make sense? One more time from here. 6, 7, and swoosh, swoosh. Nice.
On the top. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6. Good.
Nice.
Carrying on from there.
5, 6 from here. We're going jumping out, left, right. Then we're turning round, and we're doing this with our hands. So one's here like this. Your right hand is the hand that's.
And there's a
There's a little noise
as you spin, yeah?
So from here, this is 5, 6, 7, we're going down, and so 7 and 8 is 8.
Nice and high as you spin.
8.
Nice.
And you face the side, you finish off facing the side, yeah?
Good. On the top. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nice. Last little bit. So we're here. Stepping back on our left foot. Right arm is pushing forward as if you're swimming, like this. So you're going to go boom. Boom back on the right, and then back on the left again. Yeah, and you can take nice big steps, and your arms are going boom, boom, boom. Yeah, use your body, really sit into it, let the music take over that bit, yeah? So we're going from here, we're going 1, 2, 3, stepping in right, left, tap, tap.
Back to the center.
Yeah, this is and 4.
And 4.
Nice. From the top, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good.
Nice.
Last move.
Last little bit, we're going to step out on your right leg, and your arms are going to go towards the side, and you're holding that for 5, 6, 7, 8, and you come back in nice and sharp on 8. So it's literally just a slow-mo. So you're going to go into it like this, slow, back sharp.
And the main thing is to hit the slow motion fast first. So when you want to get that real impact, instead of just going, yeah, it's the hit before the slow motion that makes it look effective. So when you step out, really whip these arms. Yeah, and drag out that motion nice and smooth, and that holds for the whole 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's your end. Let's go from the top nice and slow.
Very slow, very slow.
We'll try it to speed. You ready?
Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8.
Cool. Bit faster. You ready?
Cool.
5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Try it yourselves. Okay. See you later.
Laters.